How do I turn off Instagram message muted notifications?
Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Instagram message muted notifications. If you're tired of getting notified for messages from people you've muted on Instagram, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started.
Accessing the Instagram settings.
The first step is to access the settings within the Instagram app. To do this, open the Instagram app on your smartphone or tablet. Once you're on the home screen, look for the profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open your profile.
Opening the notification settings.
Now that you're on your profile, we need to access the notification settings. To do this, look for the three horizontal lines or the hamburger icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the Instagram menu. Scroll down until you find the Settings option, and then tap on it to open the Settings menu.
Navigating to the message notifications.
Within the Settings menu, we need to navigate to the Message Notification settings. Look for the Notifications option and tap on it. On the next screen, you'll see various notification settings. Look for the Direct Messages or Messages option and tap on it to open the message notification settings.
Disabling message muted notifications.
Finally, we can disable the message muted notifications. On the message notification settings screen, you'll see a list of options related to message notifications. Look for the option that mentions muted messages or notifications from muted accounts. This option is usually a toggle switch. Toggle the switch to turn off the message muted notifications. That's it. You've successfully turned off Instagram message muted notifications. From now on, you won't receive notifications for messages from people you've muted. If you ever change your mind and want to enable these notifications again, simply follow the same steps and toggle the switch back on. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.